What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel.
I'm Chev.
And today we're gonna give you a very, very, very exciting announcement.
Shh. Let them guess.
Okay, what is it?
I don't know. I mean, we're in swimsuits.
We're outside.
There's a ramp right there. Skating and bathing suits.
I don't know why we're in a pool. Does that have anything to do with it?
I mean, I think it's more of an aesthetic. But we're going to talk about the Suns Out, Buns Out rollout.
The Suns Out, Buns Out rollout.
It is a body posse rollout.
And it's happening on July 10th, 2021.
In Long Beach, California.
So book your tickets now and get on over because you don't want to miss this. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel full of roller skating tutorials, reviews, general roller skating lifestyle videos. So if you love roller skating, or if you want to love roller skating or love it from afar, then Queer Girl Straight Skates is the channel for you. So go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell because I put out new videos every Tuesday. You don't want to miss it. Woo! So I brought Shove here today to talk to you about the Suns Out, Buns Out Body Posse rollout because she is the founder and the organizer for the Suns Out, Buns Out, oh my gosh, for the Suns Out, Buns Out rollout. So Shove, why don't you tell us how the Suns Out, Buns Out rollout came to be?
Well, it happened in the year 2019, pre-pandemic.
Shovel was but 1 year old.
Yeah. What? Yeah, oh my gosh, we
Yeah.
were. And I was like, I'm gonna have a rollout.
We love rollouts. Rollouts, just for context, is when a bunch of roller skaters get together and roll from one point to another point.
Yeah, and it was my second rollout. My first rollout was powered by Thunder Thighs, and I remember being like, oh my god, like 50 people showed up, and like, wow, that's crazy.
It was crazy.
And then the summer came, and I was like, I want a rollout that like kicks off the summer, because people were constantly like, have another rollout, have another rollout. And I was like, okay, but I want it to be like summertime. I want swimsuits. I want to remind people that every body is a
summer body.
Bikini body.
Oh.
So yeah, there was just a lot of toxic talk about like diet culture and anti-body positivity. And I was like, what the skate community needs right now is a body posse rollout. And I made it all wheels, all genders, all ages, like families showed up, and about 200 people showed up.
It was
200.
Wild.
So many people.
So many people.
Yeah, and my goal this time is to have 300 to 400 people.
I think 500 people are going to show up.
A lot of people think 500 people will show up, and that's me crazy. So we're like telling you about it, that if you're local to Long Beach, California, some people are actually flying from other states. That's how crazy it is, and I can't wait. It's going to be epic that people are literally traveling far. But we're inviting you to come on out or
skate with us.
Yeah. Come on out and skate with us. It's going to be amazing. We're going to take over Long Beach, California. So we're going to meet at Junipero Hill. I know a lot of people say it's Winipero, but I get stuck in Junipero. But we're going to meet at the top of the hill or the bottom of the hill. It depends on your level, because we can either bomb the hill together in one giant crew. You can take the stairs down in your skates. You can have people help you down the hill. Or the safest, if you don't know how to do anything that's a hill or stair related. Didn't you just do a tutorial on how to go downstairs in your skates?
Yeah, I just did a tutorial. You can see it right here on how to go up and down stairs in skates.
Yeah, so you'll be able to do that, or you can just park at the bottom and wait for us to get down there, because it literally will start at 11 a.m., which means we'll roll out around 11:30, and everyone will bomb the hill, and we'll meet everyone else at the bottom, and yeah, we'll just take off. And the whole rollout is about 6 miles, which I know can sound scary, but there's lots of breaks.
And it's fun.
Yeah, and then like once we get all the way to the lighthouse, which I know you see a lot of people either on Junipero Hill or at the Lighthouse skating. It's like 2 main destinations to skate in Long Beach, and we'll chill there for like a good 30 minutes before we head back. But it's a really good opportunity to meet people you've been following on the internet forever, your favorite YouTuber, your Instagram people, your TikTok people, seeing them in real life, taking pictures, having a good time, learning from one another. And even if you're like, I don't know, I've only been skating for a year or I've only been skating for 2 months, as long as you know how to stop, that's important.
Yeah.
Know how to stop and know how to at least skate for 15 minutes straight. You can do it. There's always a slow pack, and then there's like a medium pack and a fast pack. So you'll have your people no matter what.
It's gonna be so fun, y'all. Like, I strongly encourage you to come out and skate with us. It is just a great way to get on your skates, get outside, and get involved in the roller skate community, because I'm telling you, you do not want to miss this. It's gonna be one for the books.
And I have something really, really important to remind the people. All right, so this message is special for all of you who hasn't, for the most part, gained a little or a lot of weight after the trauma of a pandemic. We are still in a pandemic. We are just lucky enough to be able to gather again. A lot of us are vaccinated, but a lot of us are feeling a little
Insecure?
type of way, you know, about their body. So that's why I'm calling for you to ignore the extra loving, the, what do you call it, babe?
Enjoyable squish.
Enjoyable squish. The love handles, the cottage cheese
The
sauce,
tummy.
the little jiggle jiggle. And, you know, just come out and wear something that you're like, I've always wanted to, and I want to feel empowered, and I want to feel like I'm in a safe place and not be judged. And this is going to be the time to do it. Now, if you don't want to and you're not there yet and you're like, I just want to be covered, or I prefer to be covered, that's allowed too. But yeah, so dig out your favorite or brand new swimsuit, those booty shorts, those crop tops, whatever it may be. And I don't care what gender you are, you can wear all of the above.
All of the above.
The most extra, the better. I don't even have a swimsuit yet, but I'll find one.
Yeah.
But remember, most importantly,
Sun's out, buns out. Don't come for my woman.
Everybody dance. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody dance. Clap your hands, clap your hands.
Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Seriously, liking, commenting, and subscribe helps me a lot and gets the message out that this rollout is important, and you want to share it with anyone that you know that you think might be interested in coming to this rollout. And if you are in a space where you're like, I have questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments. Me and Shove will answer those questions.
Yes, we will.
Yes, we will. And if you want to support me or support Shove, we have our shops, Fat Femme Fatale Shop and Cheers to the Queers. And if you want to support this channel, you can become a Patreon or buy me a coffee. So, most importantly, cheers to the queers!
Woo!
You better come to the Suns Out, Buns Out rollout. Yeah, you.
I've got a rebel soul. 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 Just get down with it, down with it, down.
Skating in the LBC, we going to any, gonna party down Junipero Hill with our swimsuits on and we'll wear whatever we want.